In front of you is an infantry fighting vehicle, and you happen to be holding an RPG-7 rocket-propelled grenade. You immediately fire an anti-armor round. As a rocket flies out, its fins unfold due to spin, and the sustainer motor ignites to propel the warhead toward the vehicle. Upon impact, the piezoelectric fuse detonates the explosive, forming a metal jet that destroys the vehicle. Just as you begin to celebrate, you see dozens of soldiers rushing out from the vehicle. You quickly load an anti-personnel warhead, which is groove casing and is filled with explosives. Fire. The warhead flies toward the crowd. On impact, the internal charge explodes, fragmenting the casing along the grooves in a shrapnel that flies outward, killing enemies around. The remaining enemies take cover in a building and resist stubbornly. So you take out a thermobaric warhead, which has high explosives in the center and is surrounded by propylene oxide. Fire. Upon impact, the central explosive disperses the propylene oxide, which then detonates violently. The intense heat and blast kill several enemies instantly, and the rest suffocate due to lack of oxygen. The enemy sends tanks to attack your position, so you load a PG-7VL anti-tank round with more explosives and deeper penetration. Fire. It hits the tank, but the warhead is neutralized by the explosive reactive armor. The tank keeps moving. You must destroy it. So you grab a PG-7VR tandem charge warhead. The front charge triggers the ERA. The main charge penetrates the base armor. Fire. The enemy tank is destroyed. As you cheer in triumph, another tank charges forward. You repeat the tactic and launch another tandem charge warhead, but it is intercepted and destroyed by the tank's active protection system. The enemy tank is getting closer. What now? You drive a pickup truck loaded with explosives straight at the enemy tank, but the tank blows it up with one shot. The tank keeps closing in. At this critical moment, a teammate straps an anti-armor warhead onto a drone. It flies above the tank, then releases the warhead. The warhead falls onto the tank's roof. The tank is destroyed. The position is held.